Carry, I see a do see a use no. Oh, my dear, Mamma, I'm in a prayer, say. And was there quite no. What you find is in now.
Hey, Quina Ghana Mampany, what they Ghana for Yesika air no. Excavator being so sequino so. And I'm kind of say, Greda, say we load, say a day you, sir, excavators here in a tie near Nadia, a chain no. What an unquino so to 2 quino. Oh, to 2 quino, quina a Ghana for Yesika. Eh, no, no, to tonight as a queen in a quay. South Africa for his country. Aquano say affects and on so. Yes, I say no. Yeah, day. Ghana.
You go at fat. Instead, say, Elema, you have a power. I know I say, fine.
Fabian Janet, we are subscribing. Papa will hear say a channel when a chima, Ned in a cartoon. Nay, man, yes, be. And I said, I was say, Yade, a sotono so said the Bayasa, Sam Fidino, won't mean you to Fabian Channel 2, we are subscribing Ghana News Central. And the young guys say, South Africa for some more Kenyan and say, I'm a country, and teacher say,
we are fixing this continent. This thing of you guys moving from one country to the other, I suspect it's no longer working. We don't want this as African people anymore. We are tired of seeing African migrants moving all over the world, refusing to fix your own countries. Now we're making it very clear to you guys, Utitina, we don't want you here. We want you to fix your countries. Now you came here with a traveling document. You came with a passport. You know that you are a visitor, but where now you decided to come and integrate in our communities. You know very well that what you have done is wrong.
How many children do you have here?
We can come to Ghana and do what you're doing.
Passport.
Eh?
Some of the mining companies there, South Africa for the nitty. They water kwaya, Yamia, next year. No more license and answer more contract ne uno. Yen renew. Nti Ghana Mampany renew. Ye na dey affect the country because 80% come not 20% abaha. Wobra yen so na ade na ye de ade. Yen twen ye bi tu ya de.
But for this xenophobic attack, who was Jacinta? Who knew about her? So I don't know whether she's actually the daughter of Jacob Zuma, but you can realize that this particular apple fell very, very far away from the tree. And the effrontery, the impudence that she thinks she can even communicate to Ghana. Ghanaians are overreacting. It doesn't really seriously. So for me, this is quite unusual of me, but I think I also now back the calls that they can go to hell, somersault, and come back. That particular mining company from South Africa, they shouldn't have their licenses renewed.
Really?
Oh, yes, I support that call.
Irrespective of the contributions to our economy.
What are they contributing? It's because they are one of the African countries that get paid unemployment benefits allowances.
Yeah.
They just sit and drink, and that's all. That's all the work they do. And now, because the money for drinking is finished, they are going to take over somebody's business because the person came there, struggled, set up a business, and his only crime is that he's not from South Africa.
Yeah.
So Jacinta and people have the effrontery to go and say, go back to Ghana. We are taking over your business. If you like, if you're also breaking the law there, you can also take it. Good. Your lease has expired at Takwa. So we are not renewing it for you. Go back to South Africa and fix South Africa mines. You can also do your mining. There's gold in South Africa, and you should go there and mine. Yes. And DSTV and MTN should also get ready.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah, yes. No, you see, I listened to one Nigerian senator who said, if we don't all add mad, and there is a balance of madness, there will be no sanity.
Makes sense.
Yes, right. Yes, ya anokwa wo hwe kwan bi senso to a amanfo ntumi nkọ adwadifo ntumi nkodwom nkoton ade akuyafo akotwa no baya ba fie no atofo ntumi nkọ kwan no so because kwan ne nye so mo nam so a na se nya posifo ne nyankopon na be yo madoma na krofo teche mo so ekote ato mo ajejo mo ho no ma ajejo mo sika na se bra bebrebe o mo bre ne nyina ayekwa enti na wo se Ghana Mampany wo hwe na oye kwan ahodo. And the Ghana Mampany about the big push about him say yes or ye kwan kakra o ye kwan ya. Yeah, man, be cry video from Sunyani to Tachima highway no so. Now what na from Eddie praise Ghana Mampany say oh boy juma or ye kwan or ya kwan say de be ya kwan betumi anda wona kwansha bebrebe ayekoso yesi ya kwan na enyi ntia kwansha no koso andra. nipa 17 wuye ese ne nyina to betumi etwa na se beba fam
mebu nkotodwe mebu nkotodwe de mawo Gavin Kwame Agboja mebu nkotodwe mawo Mampanyin John Dramani Mahama ke ba nso so mebu nkotodwe mawo eye tachima ne sunwan kwan a yesuo yenim ne ye beye ye ho nyina na ne de Mampanyin John Dramani Mahama woni Gavin Kwame Agboja muni NDC aban enye politics ne ye nsamtwerefo na kro bi ne o man bi kwan nya ye ni mamane ye wom ye ni hawa ye wom eni kwan ya mu ye maseda ne ye de mamo Mampanyin John Dramani Mahama Gavin Kwame Agboja ene ne NDC aban yankopon hira mo no anya mo kese sunyankwa na so ne ye tia ye de o ma basbode e de na ye bre na ye ti ni suo ne ye tem pentenkwa enti contractor ne ya de hwa ne ye tia ye de nsato nsayem e de Mampanyin Mahama se Gavin Kwame Agboja Rose Minister ye de mo se woni Sulhini o ye deputy ma ya de papa ye kan se nyankopon hira mo utu video we like na share na my comment wase ye ti ma ye so ache sunya so ache na de nyamea ya aduma ma nyame kese bia behwe ya Mampanyin Mahama woni Gavin Kwame Agboja ye nya mu din boda NDC aban enye campaign ye ma mo be ka se mo ye bia ma yen
na sa not no mean say kwan na ye no obi nso so di bulldozer akosi kwan no so a wode tutu kwan no imagine kwan ya ye nduru ba bia no ye ni abre amanfo wo mpatamu ahodo ani abra wo pe kwan no ba bia no nso ye kwan no ono nso di bulldozer enam so etutu kwan no we won't know say enkakas we num so de enye no nko anefa kwan so ye de si track bi so na ye say de akọ site enjo ye adwuma ni wi a na car na ye de ne call site wo no asan so akọ ho na akọ no na asan so de ne call but we de oso no ankasa benante na menim the car driver no a no kwotena bulldozer no mu ode nan kwan no so odi tutu kwan no so menim de car no imagine hwe ode tutu kwan no
car we o se edu si ayi so no on wa de bia mama me ne private an go se kwan no o tutu kwan ni sini na wa ke ye go advert instead say ye be ma ya be fa o an go se kwan no se kwan no an e so se no kawe o se edu si ayi so no on wa de bia mama me ne private an go se kwan no o tutu kwan ni sini na wa ke ye go advert instead say ye be ma ya be fa o an go se kwan no se kwan no an e so se no
enti we yanya ne den aso hwe be mpa na o se de ma no na eye adisuade oko na o hye se maame ba ko na ni abre because nipa no tumi on tempetemo on te hobi maame yo tempetemo ye se na ni abre o kasa di akire efidase wo fidase tempetemo e na asem we si ya wodi bulldozer esi kwantempon so asfalt so a chese wodi tutu kwan no ko wodi tutu kwan no ye ma ne nya kwan no foforo ana asa ye nya ne dai Ghana ezra jese de ekoso Ghana mountain no so no ye ko enim so na ye ko echi ye ni abra amanfo sa ye fixe kantra ye nkakra fixe no no obi nso so ye fixe ko no nso so sai no ye nya de dai sa bulldozer driver we asotwe be na operator ye asotwe be e na o say de ma no ye ma ne nye kwan no ana say ye ntwe na chimba amfa no nkohye ema ye ma ne kwa ma ne operate bulldozer bio e wo man yi mu for attention no to we are subscribe Ghana News Central yeso mo Ghana mountain mo so adaro mo nsema do na so ebi no nti me no kasa ide efibiasefo ani abre se kwan na Ghana mampani anda ama waye na o prefufro kra aka ho no obi di bulldozer kosi so odi tutu kwan no asa de na nie JP ni mu na nanka so for me to nkra Ghana mountain mo so adaro wa nsema do na so a ebi nie